Hey cooks, today we're going to marry two of my favorite things to eat, breakfast and Mexican food. I found these soft tortilla bowls in my local grocery store, and I had a great idea to use these for breakfast. So we're going to stuff these with all kinds of stuff. We are going to have eggs and sausage and some fresh grown peppers, cheese, avocados, and we're going to make us a fantastic breakfast. So join me as we make breakfast taco bowls. Okay, so I grabbed a box of these brown and served maple sausage. I want some sausage in here. These are kind of pre-cooked, so we just have to thaw them and warm them out. I'm going to put a little bit of oil in here. I got my stove on a 5 over medium heat. And there's 10 sausages in here. So I'm just going to put them all in here.
Kind of small, aren't they?
Yeah. We're going to be chopping these. So I'm going to put in, they say to put in a little bit of water in here. Cover it and let it cook. I don't have a lid for this pan, so I'm just going to put a quick cover over here. We're going to let that steam for a few minutes, and then we will take the lid off and saute them until they're done. So I just had that cover on here for a few minutes, and all the water is actually gone. So we just want to basically brown these up now. They are smelling like maple. I wonder, is that real maple or fake maple?
Hey, it says from Vermont. They wouldn't lie.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, these are from Banquet. You know quality.
Yeah. Quality. Okay, so the sausages are done. We had 10, and now we have 9.
Hey,
Eric.
It was a casualty. Besides, you're a germaphobe.
So we have our sausages here, and I have my little Fury knife. This is my rocker knife. And I'm just gonna cut these into little pieces here. You can use turkey sausage, vegetarian sausage, whatever kind of sausage you like. Did it taste like maple, Eric?
Log cabin doesn't stand a chance next to these things.
So let me finish cutting these up and we'll get to cooking our egg mixture. So I wiped the pan out and I'm gonna and give it another little spray. This is an olive oil spray. It only has olive oil in it. It doesn't have any propellants or anything. So I have an onion here. I love onion and stuff. So you can use a medium, small onion, half an onion, however much onion you like. Onion is a must-have for me. So we're gonna cook this until it starts to soften, and then we're gonna put in the peppers. So we'll be back. So our onions have softened up a bit. I love onions. So we are gonna use an Anaheim chili. This is fresh from Ebu Farms, right? He grew this Anaheim chili in our container garden. He's like the pepper king now.
Yeah, and that thing kind of whooped you when you chopped it. It was strong, wasn't it, Boo-Boo?
Yeah, when I chopped it, and one of those little like
The
spray got right up into my throat, it went and I was like, I'm choking. I wasn't really choking, but it hit that spot, right?
But the aroma was pretty strong.
Yeah, the aroma is really strong. So let me finish cooking these until this pepper softens up. So our onions and peppers have softened up. They look and smell fantastic. So I'm going to go ahead and take these out of here. You don't have to do this. You can leave them in here while we make our breakfast taco bowl filling. I do this because I have a very particular way that I do my scrambled eggs. If you guys have seen my perfect fluffy scrambled egg video, I'll put links up here and down in the description so you get a full video of my technique about how I do perfect fluffy scrambled eggs. I don't want anything in there to disturb the way these eggs are done. So I'm taking all that out there. We're going to add it back in. Okay, so I have 6 eggs in this bowl, and I have this. I put some butter in here. I squirted a little olive oil to raise the smoke point of that butter so it doesn't brown. I have it way down on like low or 1. I've got my eggs here, and you want to beat them and beat them and beat them 100 to 200 times, right? That will make sure that the whites and the yellows are completely combined. We're going to pour our eggs in. This is a slow, gentle process. They're eggs, not a piece of beef, right? So this is going to be a slow, gentle process. So as it starts setting up, we're going to be moving the edge of the egg to the middle. We're going to make big, soft, fluffy curds, right? For perfect, fluffy scrambled eggs. So let's watch as this sets up. So we're going to pull the edge in. See how that is? We're going to create big, fluffy curds. Just pull that into the middle and let that liquid come around. Just like that. Make sure you don't cook this on high heat. Eggs are very delicate. They need to be down on low. Right now I have this out on 1. Start pulling this in again. Look at how fluffy that is.
It's kind of pretty, Miss Amy.
Looks kind of pretty.
I'm not even zoomed in like you are. And I can see they're fluffy from here.
You don't want to overcook them. And to me, that's good. Nice and fluffy. Look at that. Beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Really quick, I'm going to give them a little fajita seasoning. I usually season them at this part. This fajita seasoning has salt in it, so I'm not going to add any separate salt. So we've added in our onions and Anaheim chilies. And we're going to add our sausage. Wow. Look at that. Look at those big fluffy curds. That's fluffy scrambled eggs, guys. Look at how beautiful that is. Okay, so let's get our taco boats out and start assembling them. Okay, our eggs are done. They're all ready. We are going to be using these soft tortilla bowls. So I have a sheet pan out here with some parchment paper and a rack. Okay, so here's our little taco bowls. I don't know how many we're going to make.
Kind of tiny, aren't they?
They look very good.
You know, we got a full day of farming ahead of us. Gotta have a proper breakfast.
We can make 3 each because Eric's going to have cheese on his. I'm not going to have cheese on mine, so. And we're going to give us some egg and sausage and all this goodness. Fill up these bowls. That looks really good. These smell so good. I think we're in store for a yummy breakfast, Bill.
I think you're right.
One got away.
I'll help you out. Boo's cleaning service.
Perfect amount for 6 boats. I think kids would really love this. Okay, so Eric wants cheese on his, right?
Maybe.
So I have the oven heated at 350, and we're going to go ahead and put these in and melt this cheese, and I'm putting mine in there to heat up the tortilla. So we'll be back. So our breakfast taco bowls are out of the oven. I'm going to give them a little bit of cilantro because I love the fresh taste of cilantro. If you don't like cilantro, just leave that out. We're going to give them a little scoop of freshly chopped tomato.
Can I get this on the dollar menu, Boo?
No, these are $12 a plate. And I have a little chopped avocado to put in here. Gotta have that, right? Look at those. Those look fantastic. So I have a little plate here for Eric. I'm going to put his. He's going to eat all 3 of these because that's how he is.
Well, you put something like that in front of me. I wouldn't want to disappoint you.
Okay, Eric can come over and take a taste. So let me get one for me. Eric's got 3. I'm going to put a little salsa on mine. You want a little salsa on yours too?
Maybe.
You can put sour cream on here. Eric forgot to buy sour cream when he was at the store, so that's why he didn't have any. Okay, come on over, Boo. Boo Diddley. Okay, let's see what we got here. We got breakfast taco boats, Boo. You're just going to eat it as a whole boat?
It's a bowl, huh? Look at that. Yum, yum.
Really good. That's tasty.
Got a little sausage in there. Got some avo, tomatoes. It's all good. Just all mixes together.
These would be fun if you're having like setting up a little buffet or something. These would be great fun for your kids. I really like it. It gets thumbs up from me.
Oh, I got my thumbs up already. Just smelling stuff.
Yum. Just ignore us as we eat.
If you don't have access to sausages, bacon works well.
Bacon. Any kind of meat. Chicken. Leftover rotisserie chicken. Really good. So, cooks, I hope you think this was fun. These are so cute, and they are actually fantastic. I was a little worried about how they would taste. Like, they wouldn't really taste like flour tortillas, but they do. They're great. You can fill these with anything, really. But as a little breakfast taco bowl, fantastic. If you like this video, please subscribe below and go ahead and hit the bell so you'll get notified of our uploads. If you like this recipe, come on out to my website, amylearnstocook.com. All my recipes are out there, printable, savable, all that fun stuff. Also, catch me in my Facebook group, facebook.com/group/amylearnstocook. That's what we're in there all week long. So if you want to come in there and talk about cooking, recipes, and cookies, right? Equipment, whatever, I'm in there every single day. So come on in there and join the conversation. Also, you can catch me on Pinterest and Twitter at Amy Learns to Cook. And on Instagram, I'm at Cooking with Amy. So I'm going to go and finish my breakfast.
I already did.
So our breakfast taco boats.
Boats. You gonna call it bowls or boats still? Action!
So our breakfast taco boat.
You call boats. Bowls!
So cooks, I hope you think.
I hope you think.